Hi everyone, or as we say in Farsi, سلام به همگی. This is Rosina from rosinaspersiankitchen.com with Persian Pumpkin Spice Pancakes. This season calls for all pumpkin recipes. So, have you ever tasted Persian Pumpkin Pancakes? These pancakes are very moist and fluffy thanks to the pumpkin, full of delicious and aromatic flavors, easy to make and tastes like all the stories and perfect to fall season. Apart from the basic pancake ingredients such as eggs, flour, sugar and milk, what I love about the homemade pumpkin pancakes is the addition of cardamom, cinnamon and rose water that gives them a Persian touch. You can use any of these spices you prefer. These delicious Persian pancakes are originally from Iran, Gilon province. Gilon province is in northern part of Iran near the Caspian Sea. Gilon borders the Russia across the Caspian Sea. It's a beautiful green land with loads of forests, friendly people, rice and tea fields, and a wonderful food culture. I mean, diversity of 170 food recipes, including seafoods. Gilon province, also in tourism industry, is one of the tourists' attraction. In local language, these pancakes called Kooie Kaka. Cool means pumpkin and kaka means pancake in Gilaki. Cool, huh? These pancakes puff up just like traditional pancakes and make for an easy breakfast or brunch. For making this easy Persian pumpkin pancake recipe, all you need are 1.5 cups plain flour, 1 cup pumpkin puree, 1 egg, 1/2 cup sugar, 1/2 cup milk, 2 tablespoons rose water, 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder, and finally butter or oil. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. In a large bowl, combine all the ingredients. Whisk until well combined. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and coat with vegetable oil or butter. And ladle pancake batter into the pan and cook until bubbles start to form in batter and puffy. It will take about 2-3 minutes and then flip and cook the other side until golden for a few more minutes until it's cooked on both sides. Repeat with remaining batter. And voila! Our yummy pancakes are ready. They are fluffy and moist. I love to serve them with a drizzle of honey, but if you want to get fancy, top the pancakes with some fruits or toasted walnuts. Thanks to everyone who joined me today in Persian food program. I wish you a beautiful weekend with your loved ones. Until next Thursday with another Persian food recipe. Take care and God bless. Bye!